everyone, it's me Day. Welcome back to our vlog. So, ito na ang continuation ng Salalah adventure namin. After namin sa Masyad border, nagpatuloy kami sa long drive namin papuntang Salalah. As you can see, parang Pilipino style lang, no? Yung linya ng kuryente. Parang pauwi tayo ng probinsya. Pero nakakamiss lang. Pero Oman yan. Oman. Anyway, back to our journey. Our next stop, Abu Dhabi Mall. So from Masyad border, around 122 kilometers yung distance and 1 hour and 20 minutes yung drive. So more than an hour yung biyahe. So we arrived around 9:31 in the morning sa Abu Dhabi Mall. Pagdating namin doon, open na yung mall. Pero ang nakakatawa, halos na lahat ng shops closed pa. Sabi kasi ng Google, yung ibang shops and restaurants are supposed to open at around 9 a.m. So, akala namin since 9:30 na, buhay na yung mall. Pero hindi pa pala. Lulu hypermarket lang yung open. Okay lang, ikot-ikot na lang kami and stretching. After our short break na nga, yun na, ready na ulit kami. Back to the car.
Next na.
After our short stop at Abu Dhabi Mall, balik na ulit kami sa road. Our next stop, Nujum Nizwa. So, habang nasa biyahe kami, kumakain na tong mga bata. Food trip? Road trip. O, diba? Ang saya. Ayun. We arrived at 10:50 in the morning. At alam nyo ba kung ano agad hinanap namin? McDonald's. Baka, iniisip namin baka umawat pa kami sa breakfast. Kasi di ba minsan hanggang 11 a.m. yung breakfast. Pero sadly, wala silang ino-offer. At by that time, preparing pa lang sila to open. Grabe. Kala namin, since almost 11 a.m. na, open na lahat. Pero hindi pa rin. So wala kaming choice. Habang naghihintay, naglakad-lakad na lang muna kami around the area. Bumili ng SIM si Tito Victor. At syempre, nagpa-money exchange na rin. So, after a little while, bumalik kami sa McDonald's and open na siya at naka-order na rin kami. Burgers and fries ang na-order namin. Kahit burger lang, parang ang sarap-sarap na. Pero, anong napansin nyo during this trip? Iba talaga ang schedule dito sa Oman. Parang mas late silang nag-o-open compared sa the usual, yung nakasanayan natin. So guys, kung mag-travel kayo dito sa Oman at same time lang ng biyahe namin at ganito kaaga, please bring your own food or snacks kasi hindi mo talaga masasabi kung open na yung mga usual restaurants. Kahit almost 10 or 11 a.m. na, may mga fast food restaurants and shops na preparing pa lang to open. So, better be prepared. So, bring your own baon, especially kung road trip kayo. Speaking of baon, may dala pa ng baon ang The Door family. At hindi basta-basta baon na. Adobo. And guys, ang sarap. Mag-garlic siya. Alam nyo naman na I love garlic. Ang sarap ng food, especially after that long travel. And of course, habang kumakain, tuloy-tuloy ang kwentuhan. So, after namin kumain, nagpahinga ng konti.
Hi, video. 1, 2, 3.
So, back to road trip mode. Habang nag-drive si Gab, nakikinig lang kami ng music. Until nakatulog ang mga bata. Well, kailangan talaga nilang mag-recharge para may energy sila, diba? So, we were now on the Niswa to Salalah Road. Then finally, around 6:58 in the evening, we started seeing the beautiful sunset. So, after hours and hours of driving, sa wakas, malapit na kami sa Dhofar region. So, dumaan kami sa Tumarait, makikita mo iba na talaga ang paligid. From dry and open roads, biglang naging mabundok. And habang papunta kami sa mountain roads, naging challenging din ang driving. Low visibility, foggy, slippery, marami ring vehicles on the road, So talagang kailangan maging extra careful ka sa pagdadrive. Tsaka gabi na rin, kaya doble ingat. Pero habang pababa kami, nafe-feel mo na yung Baguio City vibes.
Welcome back to Philippines!
Ayan, mist, yung fog, yung mountains, tropical vibes lang talaga. And then, habang pababa kami, unti-unti nang lumalabas yung night view ng Salalah. And wow, ang ganda! After the whole day on the road, after the long drive, after all the stops, stretching, gutom, tulog sa car, finally, we were getting closer to our destination. After that very long drive, nakarating na rin kami sa Salalah. And ang last stop sana namin for the day was our villa that we booked through online. Excited na sana kami kasi malaki yung villa and malalaki rin yung mga rooms. Perfect na sana siya for our group dahil 3 families kami. Pero pagdating namin, hindi na kami komportable magstay, so we decided na mag-hotel na lang. And good thing, wala pa kaming binayaran. Not for us. After leaving the villa, kumain muna kami.
Lord, Heavenly Father, Lord, thank you for today, Lord. Thank you for keeping us safe. Pagpunta dito sa Salalah, Lord. And Lord, praying for tonight, makahanap kami ng place na pag-stay namin na maayos, Lord. Bless our food, Lord.
At least habang kumakain kami, nakakapag-isip-isip kung saan talaga kami mag-i-stay. And thankfully, may available pa na 3 rooms. So, nakapagpabook kami ng hotel. Ito rin yung hotel na tinuloyan namin way back 2016. So, parang may little throwback na moment kami. So, almost 10 years na rin. Bumalik ulit kami dito. And honestly, after that very long day, wala na talaga kaming ibang gusto kundi makapag-check-in, maligo, humiga at matulog. So guys, church experience na lang talaga. At least may bagong experience kami na may share sa inyo. And if ever mag-travel kayo dito sa Salalah during Carib season, especially if you're traveling with a group, I would personally recommend na mag-secure muna kayo ng accommodation, whether online kayo mag-book or directly sa hotel. Nasa sa inyo na yon. For us, this time we chose to book online because it was Carib season and we wanted to make sure na may rooms kami. Kayo pa rin ang makakapag-decide kung ano ang best accommodation para sa inyo. Ang importante, komportable kayo, safe kayo, malinis, happy kayo sa place na tutuluyan nyo. So ayun, day 1 officially done. From Abu Dhabi to Mashhad border, Ibri, Nizwa, Tumrait, gasoline stations, hundreds of kilometers of driving, and finally, Salalah. Hindi naging perfect ang journey, pero that's what made this road trip more memorable. Because sometimes, yung mga unexpected things ang siya pang nagiging best stories to tell. And tomorrow, another day, another adventure. Time naman to explore the beautiful side of Salalah during Carib season. So if you want to see where we went and what we discovered, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DRMLight. Thank you so much for joining us on this long journey from Abu Dhabi to Salalah. I'll see you in the next vlog. I'm Day. Bring a little light to your day. Bye for now. Stay safe. God bless.
$525,600